Welcome, it's Tim from Exotic Ginger. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vivarium. So, we went to IKEA and we got this. This is £3 from IKEA, this is banging. So it's got a nice bit of cork and it's a nice glass bottle. So, the first thing we need to do with this is we obviously need to take off all the plastic and all of the stickers. So let's do that. With the stickers, if you have a problem getting them off, then you just put them under hot water for a bit and then it starts peeling off, and then you can rub it off with a cloth or something like that and it helps rub it off. So I just had Nola come in, look, there she is. I just had Nola come in. She's now on the table, or she's not meant to be. So yeah, so that is what we're going to be doing today. So please stay tuned and follow along and we'll make one of these beauties. Alright, let's get to it. Yeah, so all you want to do is just take off the plastic if you can. It's a bit harder than I thought it would be. Okay, so now give it a dry off, and there you go. It's now where we want it to be, like that. Okay, so we can easily take that off as well. So the next thing we want to do is put a drainage layer. So the reason you want to put a drainage layer is it has 3 different layers minimum, or 3 different layers. And the reason you do that is obviously when you water this, you only want to sort of water this once in its whole life. So hopefully we can keep this going for ages. So let's go and get some drainage layer and go and get some soil. So that's the things we need to get. Okay, so now I've been regulated outside because my partner is cooking. So what we're now going to do is I'm now going to put some shells at the bottom. You can put any type of drainage layer at the bottom, but it needs to be a drainage layer. Basically you want sharp edges so the water drops down to the bottom. Then it acts like it starts condensating and respirating and all of that, and then it does its own cycle. So that's what we're doing. So let's put these shells in the bottle. Okay, so like that. So now what we want to do is we now want to go and get some soil. So let's go and get some soil. So I've got my own soil I make, and I'm going to start selling it again. So you want to put some in. I would fill it up about that much, so you can just shake it down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my finger in and I'm going to start. Okay, so I've put a bit more shells in it, and now I am going to get my own mix of compost and vermiculite and stuff like that. This is a good mix for terrariums and terrariums and house plants and stuff like that. I am starting to sell that as well, but not yet. So now that you've done that, we want to put a few plants in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take out a bit more soil, just take out a bit of the soil, and then we'll start putting some plants in it. Okay, so I've now got my plant. So this is one of my tissue cultures. It is I believe a biliatier or something like that, a variegated biliatier, or I can't really tell right now because it's still got the juvenile leaves. But basically, I'm going to put this into the vivarium with the moss, and it'll look pretty nice. So let's do that. So we're just going to slowly push it in so it doesn't break the plant, and there we go. So now we need to put it down. There's Nola, by the way. Now we need to poke it down a bit further so we can actually see the plant and it doesn't get damaged. So let's do it. So I've managed to poke it down a bit more, so that is exactly what we want. So that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If please subscribe, like and comment and all of that great stuff. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.